Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I had just gotten through taping stuff and I was editing on my computer, and before you know it, I get this in the mail. Yay! My Fab Fit Fun box, and I'm so excited to open it, so I thought I'm just going to sit down and film it. I did loosen up the seal, but other than that, I haven't opened it yet. Yay! I'm excited. I gotta open it the right way and try not to knock stuff over, which I am already. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So, of course, you get a little magazine that goes along with the Fab Fit Fun box. And then whatever's in here will be listed so that you can get extra details on it. Looks like I got a gift card, coupon, whatever you want to call it, for Garden Chef, or no, Green Chef, sorry. Oh, this looks like a $50 off for a wine subscription thing. I don't know if I'll do that, but and now we're going to tear into the tissue and see what all I got. You know, I know that they do have a few things that you can customize your box, and I know I chose things, but I don't remember what I chose. So this will be fun. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try and lift it up for you because there's quite a few in here. Look at that. Box full of goodies. All right, let's see what we've got here. I probably should have brought my glasses up with me. This is Minky Lux, and it is Universal Brow Pencil. I've been wanting to try new brow pencils. I like the packaging, pretty gold. They call it the Unibrow. Universal Brow Pencil. Okay. So, I'm trying to, well, it does have a spoolie. And then, oh yeah, you raise it up. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's kind of, I would call it not a hashtag. It's almost, I don't know if I can do this justice. Maybe you can see it more angled there. It's kind of like a triangle. Interesting. Oh, nice firm, not too greasy. You can make small marks. If you use it sideways, you could make a thicker mark. I'm going to enjoy trying this, and I think, yeah, actually it might be a good color for me. So I'm excited to try that. And it's got the spoolie, and it's pretty. I like it. All right, I'm going to just, where do I want to put this? I'm going to put that there. All right, and then I've got Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. Oh, I remember I did pick this because one can always use an after sun spray, especially if you've been out in the sun too long. I'm not going to open that one yet. This one's in bubble wrap. This is Terra Mare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Ooh. I kind of am curious on this one. It's got a pretty box. Very pretty box. Oh my goodness, it's a big bottle. And it's heavy, it's substantial. trying to smell it, but I can't smell it. Oh, you have to, oh, I opened it. Doesn't really have a smell. No, it doesn't. There's maybe very faint, but really no smell in it at all. I just put a little bit on my hand. It's cool. Interesting. I'll look forward to trying that. I was going to start trying some toners. I've not really tried toners before. Right now I've been using the Tatcha Essence, and I haven't really noticed a whole lot of difference in my skin since using it. Sorry to say. It might be great for some people, but for me it just doesn't seem to be doing much. So I'll look forward to trying that. And then I have black with a Q eye mask and hyaluronic acid. Easy for me to say, right? Ooh, it's in plastic. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll have to review that at a later date. I have Spongeli hand cream, coconut and verbena. Let's see. Oh, it has a little foil thingy on it. I gotta smell it. Oh, that smells good. Oh my gosh. Really smells good. It's a light, very light moisturizer, and my skin is just sucking it right up. Not greasy at all. And it's got a beautiful scent, but not real heavy. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, look, there's the... But you can see that there's more shine, and it definitely looks more moist on this side. Okay, I'm getting some good stuff here. This is Tarocco and Sicilian Blood Orange foot cream. Wow. One can always use a good foot cream. Especially in the summer. You want your feet to look good in those sandals, right? Here's another thing from Black. It is a mask. Oh, and of course the writing is it's on a pursuit to perfect. Poreless skin, sans blackheads. Minimize your mirror time with our activated charcoal mask, designed to target toxins and draw out impurities instantly. The result? Happy, flawless skin and a long line of... I need my... of tens waiting to get up and close and personal. I really need to bring my glasses in. I say this all the time, and I think I've only brought them once. All right. And I have Business and Pleasure, it's called. I think this is a cooler bag, if I'm not mistaken. Got these little snaps so you can keep your handles together, and it does have a strap too that you can lengthen, so if you want to throw it over your shoulder. So this would be good for going on the beach or wherever. It's insulated, it's nice and roomy. You could definitely put quite a few things in there. keep it nice and cold. And it's a sunny color, so perfect for summer. And then it looks like the last thing I have in here is, it's by La Space. It's a beach towel. So let me get in there. I like these colors. I'm always partial to purple, so I've got the purples and the blues and the pinks. It's very soft. It's not real thick. I'm not sure how absorbent it would be, but it's long. You know, sometimes towels are too short for you to lay on. This one is definitely long and tie-dyed. Ooh, I like it. Perfect. Okay, now where is my magazine? Here we go. All right, let me see if I can find some of these real quick to tell you about them. Let's see, the towel. Gorgeous pastel blue and purple tones blend into this boho chic tie-dye towel. Retails for $58. Very cool. And let's see, do I have anything else on this page? Oh yeah, the Business and Pleasure cooler bag. This premium cooler bag keeps food and drinks cold and crisp. That's $59. So already it's way over what I paid for the box. Oh, the black peel-off mask and hydrogel eye mask, $59. The activated charcoal in both masks is formulated to leave you with refreshed skin. Perfect. Oh, and then Terramere, the aloe and tea tree toner, retails for $54. And it says, reveal your best skin yet, as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes the skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. Beautiful. The Spongeli coconut verbena hand cream retails for $18. Nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, so many cool things. That wasn't it. Something's missing here. What else? Oh, there's a cute little article by Gabby Douglas in there. So that's cute. There's a lot of cute articles in here. Talks about how the summer box was curated. Has a little horoscope, a crossword puzzle. And I'm trying to find, I didn't run across one of the things I have here, unless I missed it. Let's see here. I'm looking for, oh, there's the Winky Lux Unibrow. Get your best brows ever with this universal brow pencil. $16 it is. So yeah, I did pass by that one, unfortunately. But I don't see the beach mist. Oh, and the foot cream. There's the beach mist and the foot cream. Oh, I don't see the other ones listed here. That's weird. Unless, I wonder if I picked them as add-ons, because you can also add on things. So maybe the foot cream and the beach mist were an add-on? I don't think so. Maybe I just didn't find it in here. There is a whole there's a whole bunch of stuff in this little magazine. So you get that and all these products. And I mentioned at least most of their prices that they listed for retail. So way more than I paid for the box. So I highly recommend Fab Fit Fun. Easy for me to say. I can't. Fab Fit Fun. Don't say it too fast. So yeah, I'm excited that I get to bring that to you and show you all of these lovely things. Can't wait to try them. And if I find something I really love, of course, I'm going to let you know. And I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And leave me some comments. And give me a thumbs up if you like seeing these unboxings. BoxyCharm will be the next one that comes out. So I only do the BoxyCharm and the FabFitFun. Those are the only two subscription boxes I do. So hopefully you are doing well. And until next time, ciao Bella.